How's it going, everyone? It's Dr. Jason Schumard with Active Posture Chiropractic. We have a new health topic this week. It's on chiropractic adjustments and the effect that it has on your neurological system with your internal organs or autonomic nervous system. And there was a study done in 2000, and what the study did was they actually did chiropractic adjustments to patients, and what it is, it changed their pupil reflexes. So what that showed is that chiropractic adjustments have a direct impact on your autonomic nervous system, which is part of your eyes, your organs, your heart, your lungs, all those types of things. And it was astronomical because it's the first time that it actually showed mechanical function within the spine has an effect on the nervous system affecting something else other than pain. As we know, chiropractic is very beneficial with pain, but now we've discovered that it can actually help with the way that your organs function on a regular basis. So I know in my office, for example, we have people that get better when they have low back pain, but then they start to get adjusted and their stomach problems start to go away, their constipation issues go away, they have decreased acid reflux. We improve the way that their blood pressure is, either by lowering it or increasing it depending on what their body needs. The immune system gets better so that they're getting sick less often. These are the types of things that we're seeing on a regular basis above and beyond the regular pain, headaches, low back pain, neck pain, all those types of things as well. So chiropractors have been talking about these things for hundreds of years. And you know, most of the time in the medical community it's just a coincidence. Oh, it worked its way out type of deal. And we've known for a long time that it's part of the nervous system, and that's how we can help with. We've actually started to prove that now. So this is great findings. Chiropractic is improving on a daily basis, showing the huge amount of things we can do besides just the pain sensation. And this is why it's the perfect time, perfect opportunity to get your spine checked. If you've never been checked before, or if it's been over a 6-month period since you've been checked, this is the perfect opportunity for your spine to get checked. Not only if you have pain, but any problems. The spine controls, or the nervous system, sorry, it controls everything in the body, and the spine is its direct impact on that area. If any pressure on there at all can cause negative aspects and negative function. If you're interested at all about getting your spine checked, we're having our last week special. We have our Spring into Health action happening. We've been having this for the entire month of May. We've extended it for one more week into the first week of June because of Memorial Day weekend. We were supposed to have this big event on Saturday, but Memorial Day weekend kind of blew that for us. So we decided to extend it for the next week into June. So if you have any problems, anything you want to get checked, it is a complimentary checkup, consult and exam with the doctor and myself, and also a report of all findings as well. So give the office a call. I'm sure the number's down below here as well, but they'll give it to you. It's 858-564-7081. Have yourself a great week. Looking forward to meeting you guys real soon and talking to you again about the next health topic. Have a great week. Take care.